Gate, we'll soon find out. 21.40 all before them. Mobile starts to increase the tempo. Set. He has let them go down the back, and on the inside, Mess Hanover was one of the best away, but the Matrix anxious to lead. It's driven with urgency and is able to cross from gate 4 and cross the lead. In second placing, Mess Hanover, Concertina got away okay, and Jack Be Quick from the second line going forward quickly. Doc Hosenberry on the inside, third last, Page's Boy, and Great Hand is last of all as they come into the straighter. On this first occasion, the leader, the Matrix, Jack Be Quick on the outside. It's anxious to go and put pressure on the leader. He's not going to die wondering on the outside runner. He's gone up once again to get a little bit closer to the leader. David Hewitt shows straight on the inside to drop Mess Hanover behind them. And then Doc Hosen Honey behind those Pages Boy, Concertina. And last of all is Great Hand as they leave the straighter, go to the top, and this leader at the moment now steadied and being held together. The Matrix out clearly in second placing as they leave that position behind. In this second stage of the race is going pretty well. The Matrix is out by a length. Joe Be Quick running second, Messanova third, and then Doc Hosenberry behind them, Concertina. Page's Boy and Great Hand is last of all. Down the back they travel. That board is not working, unfortunately, and the Matrix out clearly. Out by length, Joe Be Quick, Messanova bides its time third. Doc Hosenberry nicely placed, one out, one back behind them. Concertina on the inside, Page's Boy and Great Hand last of all. No changes, we said. The leader travelling pretty well. All other drivers content with the pace at the moment, and the Matrix leads clearly. Out by a length and a quarter to Mess Hanover on the inside. Can get out now if it wants to. Plenty of room to come up and sit outside the leader, Joe Be Quick. It's starting to drop off. Hewitt takes a peek over the shoulder. You can see Doc Hosenberry moving up, three wide, Concertina behind them, and then Page's Boy and Great Hand last of all. They leave the straighter. The Bell behind with the top and approach the 600, and Angela Hedges allows the Matrix a little more rain. She takes a peek over the left shoulder to see what's happening rearward. She can see that Mess Hanover's got plenty of room now to get out. She's cleared by 3 lengths. Mess Hanover second. Coming from the tail of the field, Doc Hosenberry. It's being driven up on the outside of Mess Hanover, and further back then as they go down the back, Page's Boy, Concertina, great on the inside, Great Hand, but the leader at the 400's going well now. She's out by a couple of lengths, and she's got a good lead as they come past the 250 mark, the Matrix, but I tell you what, the chasers are gathering it in. On the outside, Doc Hosenberry's coming home hard, and then Page's Boy out 3 and 4 wide, Mess Hanover, but into the straight. She's driving with urgency, the Matrix in front, Doc Hosenberry on the outside, just inclined to lug slightly, goes to the lead, and it's going to be too good. Doc Hosenberry goes on to score well, close second and third, the Matrix probably. Third placing, Page's Boy, Great Hand behind them, and then Mess Hanover. It was given every chance. Joe Be Quick second last, and last of all was Concertina.